How to share your Facebook posts to Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to share your Facebook posts to Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to simply open your Facebook app and then click on what's on your mind or click on this upload button right here. And then you should be able to see the Instagram logo right here on the rightmost part. So you may click on it and turn it on to share your posts on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. And then you may choose always share to Instagram or not now. If you don't have this option right here, then I would suggest to connect your Facebook and Instagram first. So the easiest way to connect your Facebook and Instagram is to go to Instagram, go to your profile found on the lower right corner, click on the three lines, and click on settings right here and scroll down until you can see the meta section and click on account center right here. So if you can see the add account or connect account option right here, then simply click on it and then connect your Facebook and Instagram. So if it requires you to input your Facebook information, then simply do so. But usually whenever you click on that add account or connect account button, it will just open your Facebook app and then it requires you to allow the connecting of your Facebook and Instagram. And now you may go back to Facebook. Again, click on what's on your mind or the um, upload button and then um, click on this button right here, turn it on, and then that's it. That's how you can share your Facebook posts to Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.